So we're in the wood shop. A little update on where we're at. We put some boards on the end or the bottom where we're going to put the splash guard, and we needed one more board, so we needed about 2 inches, 2.5. So I think I have enough. These are about 2 inches. We did the one side, the bottom, and a little bit of the back, and these will get nailed on. And then our aluminum is going to go here. We're also going to put in another piece down here, but I'll show you that later. I thought of that last night. So rather than put these on and then prime them outside, it's raining today, so we primed them in here, and they'll kind of stuck to this board, but they're almost dry, so we can nail them on. Here's something I thought I'd point out. So the hemlock in the northeast, where I'm not sure where else it grows, but in this, it's dying because of this parasite or bug, and it gets shaky. And what I mean by that is it will split apart and get weak. And here's one that was split apart, and you see that white stuff on there. That's not a good sign. So this is a piece that's going to go in the wood stove, and I could see that it was a bad piece, so I had cut it off. So it'll just go in my kindling bucket there. So let's go outside. It is raining, but we can still look at it. It's not pouring, I don't think. Although it's raining decent. So we cleaned up the leaves again. And I'm going to get back here, try to get underneath so I'm not getting wet. So you can see the bottom part here. We have these all nailed on. But you see we need one more piece down there. So that's where the strips are going to go that I just showed you. And then after we do that, we're going to chalk line the mark on here for our 2-foot splash guard. And you can see how far away the water's hitting. So we're out there. I don't think we're out there 2 feet. We're maybe 20 inches. But remember, that's about 5 inches further than what it was. So I don't know if you can see that. Maybe from there you can see where it's coming off and where it used to come off. So that's definitely an improvement. And then once we put our splash guard on here, plus our little splash guard bottom piece, whatever I'm going to call that, then we should have the whole base protected. Then we can come through and we can work on our moldings up here. And we can bring them right down to the splash guard. So, and that I can even put on even when it's kind of drizzling out. Because right now I'm not getting hit by any rain. I'm far enough under. Okay, so there's where we're at. Time to maybe nail on the bottom pieces.